Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial. And in this tutorial, we'll cover all the areas of Remitly, from how you can use Remitly to send money to your friends and family worldwide. Maybe it's your first time, or maybe you're a pro who's switching from another money sending method. Either way, this full tutorial will guide you from start to finish. Let's start by downloading the Remitly app. Once installed, open the app and the first thing you'll do is choose your language. Remitly supports a wide range of languages. For example, if you want to change your language to Romanian, simply tap the small down arrow and select it from the list. Next, you'll create your profile. This is where you'll enter some basic information. You'll choose the country you're sending money from and the country you're sending money to. In this example, I'm sending money from the United States to the Philippines. Just scroll through the list to find the country you need. After selecting the countries, you'll set up your account by providing your email address and creating a password. Make sure your password is something secure that you can remember, but that's hard for others to guess. Once you're done, tap on Join Remitly and your account is ready. Now you'll see the main interface of the Remitly app. It's clean and easy to use. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find 5 main options. The first one is Home, where you can track your transfers and get updates. The second is Recipients. This is where you can add the people you want to send money to or receive money from. The third option is Send, which is the main feature used to send money. The fourth is Rewards, where you can earn rewards for referring others. And finally, the fifth option is Manage, where you can access your account settings and make any changes to your profile. Now let's go ahead and send some money. Tap the Send button. You'll be taken to a screen where you can enter the amount you want to send. I'll enter $50 as an example, but you can send more depending on your limits. The amount you can send may vary based on your country and the country you're sending to. Once you enter the amount, Remitly will instantly calculate how much your recipient will receive in their local currency. You'll also see the exchange rate and any fees applied. It's all clearly displayed so you know exactly what's going on. After that, you'll choose how you want the money delivered. Depending on where your recipient is located, you can choose from options like a bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile wallet, or even home delivery in some countries. One thing that makes Remitly great is that their fees are low and everything is shown upfront, no hidden surprises. Next, you'll select how you want to pay. You'll get a few options like debit card, credit card, or bank account. I personally prefer using a debit card because it's fast and easy. Keep in mind that the payment method you choose can affect the speed of the transfer and the fee you'll pay. Once you've picked your payment method, Remitly will show you the total fees before you confirm the transaction. In this example, I'm doing a bank deposit to my recipient and paying with my debit card. The fees are low, and the recipient won't have to pay anything to receive the money. Now you'll enter the recipient's information. Make sure the details are accurate, especially the name and account number, so that there are no issues with the transfer. Once everything is entered correctly, you're ready to hit Send Money. Remitly will then process your transaction. You'll receive notifications updating you on the status of your transfer, and once the money has been delivered, you'll get a final notification confirming that it's complete. And that's how you use the Remitly app from start to finish. And that's it, you are done.